In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste in Canva. If you've ever tried to recreate the same text layout, duplicate a design element, or move a styled block across different pages by rebuilding it manually, you already know how much time that can waste. The good news is Canva makes this much easier once you're working in the right place and using the right tools. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to copy and paste elements properly, how to duplicate them quickly, how to move them between pages, and how to copy only the style of an element when that's all you need. To begin, make sure you open your project inside Canva's actual design editor. This is important because the copy and paste tools only work the way you expect once a design file is open in the workspace. From the Canva home screen, click Create a Design and choose the format you want, or open an existing project so the full editing canvas is visible. Once your design is open, go to the page and find the element you want to copy. This could be a text box, an image, a shape, a line, or even a video block. Click directly on that item once to select it. When it's selected, you'll see a border appear around it with resize handles, which lets you know Canva is ready to work with that element. Now you can use the standard keyboard shortcuts. On Windows, press Ctrl and C to copy, then Ctrl and V to paste. On Mac, use Command and C to copy, then Command and V to paste. Canva will place the duplicate right on top of the original. So if it looks like nothing happened, just drag the top item slightly and you'll see the copy underneath. You can also use Control and D on Windows or Command and D on Mac to duplicate an element instantly in one quick action. If you want to copy something to another page in the same design, there's also a simple right-click method. With the element selected, right-click it and choose Copy. Then scroll to the page where you want it to appear, click on that page to make it active, right-click on the canvas, and choose Paste. Canva will place the item in the same position on the new page, which is especially helpful for keeping layouts consistent. Finally, if you only want to copy formatting, like font styling, colors, or effects, select the formatted text box first. Then go to the toolbar, click the three-dot menu, and choose the paint roller or copy style option. Your cursor will change, and then you can click the text you want to update. Canva will apply the same style without changing the actual words. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.